From here, click the Breaks command, then choose Next Page from the menu. Now we can adjust our page numbering by following these steps.
Page 11.
First, double-click the header or footer, which should take you back to the Design tab. Then click the Page Number command and choose Format Page Numbers from the menu. A dialog box will appear where you can change the number format, add chapters to your page numbering, and more. But to restart your numbering, all you have to do is select the field that says Start At. By default, it will restart at 1. However, you can enter any number depending on what you need. When you're done, click OK, and you'll see the change immediately. There are still lots of other things that you can do on the Design tab. For example, if you want to hide the header or footer on the first page of your document, then start back up on page 2, you can select Different First Page. If you want to remove the header or footer altogether, just click the command that you want, then click Remove at the very bottom of the menu. Headers and footers can be used in many different ways, whether you're working on a casual document or an academic paper. They can make your information easier to reference and also add a nice professional touch.
And where did we find that video? Live Binders. Nice. Okay, so now we can touch our computer again. You ready? I want that to minimize. And we're going to go to our formatting 3, it's formatting 2, 3.2 document. Go ahead and open that up. We are going back to page 5 because that's where headers and footers starts, on page 5, and learning what we just learned. What's the first thing I have to press when I have this document open, looking at our screens? Enable editing. Nicely done. All right, so we're going to enable editing. How do I unlock my header or footer? Double click where? On the top. It's actually in the margin area. So we make sure we double click, and now my margin is open. Where's my cursor? I still have my paragraph button on. I'm shutting my paragraphs off. I don't want to see them. Who's with me?
Got it.
Half the room, absolutely. So this is where we can start typing our headers and footers. Go ahead, just type your name here in this header. Whatever this document may be, it is now a Marty Sheffield document. Awesome. Everybody has their own name in their document, yes? Who was not able to find the header and footer, or the header area? We got one.
And when I clicked at the top, it didn't work.
Double click.
Top of your page.
Oh, in the margin. Good job.
So, wait, I'm gonna change that.
Now, if I am finished, all I wanted to put in there was my name. How can I close this document for the margin area that is my header? The X on which tab? Where is that? I'm afraid I don't see it here. Anybody know?
Design.
The Design tab that opened. So I have to go to Design to get that red X. Nicely done, Laura. Nicely done, Chris. And I can use that. There was one other way to close the header or footer. Who can remember?
Escape.
Escape.
I'm gonna
The
use that one
key
myself.
on the keyboard.
Good one.
Exactly. Who closed the header and footer?
How did I get that?
Closed it? Okay, I'm closing mine too.
Question,
Oh,
Answers, go for it.
we go on to the design tab,
Yes.
neither one of us are getting X's, we're not getting the same.
Yeah, hers didn't either for a while.
We're having the titles, fonts, colors.
Okay, so what you're telling